Hey everybody, welcome to the final Veganist Fork video of 2019.
Whoa!
It is Christmas morning and we're going to show you what we ate today. So we are a mixed family, meaning not all vegan, so we're just going to show you the vegan stuff. I've got a beautiful gluten-free bagel here, which is my favorite, by O'Dough's. And you're having some just regular like baguette.
Yep.
We've got a Peak of Perfection fresh pineapple that I got up early this morning.
Really good. I've already been snacking on that.
Oh, so good. It's like liquid sugar. We've got some hash browns,
Yum.
vegan of course. We've got some Beyond Beef sausage.
Oh yeah.
We've got a beautiful tofu scramby with orange pepper.
That is gorgeous.
And some tomato and a little bit of red onion in there as well. And that is our delicious Christmas morning breakfast. We just opened the presents, so we're ready to settle down for a hot 10 minutes before we have to start cooking again for
yeah, we
later
got a lot of prep to do.
Thank goodness you did all the prep for most of the presents, so we don't have much to do there. It's just mostly cooking now, and we have about 4.5 hours to get it all done, so here's
Here we
hoping.
go.
All right, so it's after dinner.
Things got a little crazy.
Yeah. Look.
Oh, no.
This is the aftermath, and this is only half of it. Because I already put a load in the dishwasher, so.
Hi. Sorry, I just have to show how beautiful.
We just got home, but I just want to show you, because we have leftovers, what we had.
I'm about to have second dinner.
Right, so behind door number 1, we have Dauphinoise potatoes, which are basically like scallop potatoes, but instead of cream, it's coconut, full-fat coconut milk.
And they're so
nutritional
good.
yeast.
So
and,
cheesy.
Yeah, so this was delicious. Behind door number 2, we have some homemade falafel, which was a real hit.
Also delicious.
Very nice. A full bunch of cilantro in there, and we didn't fry it. We baked it in the oven. Oh, it's so fragrant.
Yes, and you made a dressing to go with that.
I made a dressing, which is basically our ranch dressing with some of that cilantro sauce. So it's ranch with a little bit of a kick. It's got like jalapeno cilantro ranch.
Nice.
Perfect. I blew it. I totally bonered and forgot the cucumber tomato mixture that I had made for this. What are you going to do, right?
Wait. Shawnee, can you keep it down for a minute, please, bud? Just for a minute.
This is the crown jewel right here behind door number 3. The spanakopita in not in falafel dough, in phyllo dough. Not in phyllo dough.
Puff pastry.
Puff pastry.
Oh.
Let's just.
Sorry, I'm not looking at you. I'm just looking at this beautifulness right now.
Oh my God.
Magic. Absolute magic.
People were clutching their hearts for that. Because we use the Violife feta. And Violife, exactly. It was amazing. Now that brings us to bowl number 4, and that is dessert.
Dessert.
So,
What you gonna do with that dessert?
murder that dessert.
No. Okay.
Right. So we have some cheesecake bites. There's a chocolate cookie on the bottom. It's risky business time here for the dogs. They're running around. We have some chocolate crackles. These 2 are gluten-free vegan. This one is just vegan. I didn't have time to make the gluten-free ones as well as the regular vegan ones. So these are just vegan shortbread dipped in some melted dark chocolate. So they're basically
Delicious.
What's those Pepperidge Farm cookies? You know, they're like the
Milanos. Okay.
They're basically like the Milanos without the chocolate in between.
You could say that.
Yeah. So that is what we had today on our wonderful vegan, somewhat gluten-free Christmas.
Yum, yum, yum.
And yes, I'm going to be paying for it later because I had the puff pastry, but
I'm sorry.
gluten-free life. Hashtag gluten-free life. So that is what we had. If you want to see any of these recipes, we do have
A few of them
A few
already.
of them already. This one definitely. The shortbread's already. This one definitely. The shortbread's definitely. These other two, well, yeah, we did the cheesecake one.
Yep.
This is basically the big
cheesecake recipe
just
in
a mini
cookie
muffin
form.
pan. So, if you want the chocolate crackle recipe, which I definitely will be making again,
Those were
let
really
me know.
good.
I will expedite that to the front of the line. And the spanakopita with the vegan feta.
Mm-hmm.
I hope you guys had a wonderful holiday, whatever you celebrate. Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, or nothing. Maybe you just had a nice day. But
That's cool too.
Mm-hmm. Guess what's coming up though? Veganuary!
Woo!
Every day in the month of January, we'll be doing a video in honor of Veganuary. So this is for all of the people who are thinking about going vegan or just vegetarian, or maybe even doing just a meatless Monday. Make an effort to cut back on animal products in January and join us, and we'll show you how to make it easy and doable. So have a great New Year's and see you in Veganuary.
Yeah.
Till next time, much love.